Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will carry on with our English language lessons. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hudaythi. So these are the lessons for the second year. As you can see on your screen, today we are going to have enrichment activities. These are activities that targeted the information that we already learned, or perhaps add more information and activities. So let's start. Bismillah. By the end of the lesson, inshallah, you are expected to use the demonstrative, this, that, these, and those, how to use them. Also, we will practice the difference or differentiate between singular and plural. And of course, as usual, we'll be having a lot of exercises. Okay, so let's start. We are going to write a lot. So for this section, have a piece of paper, your notebook, perhaps your book, to take some notes. Also, you'll be able to read. So just repeat all the words that you hear. Let's start with this exercise. For this exercise, my dear student, we will start with numbers. That section will help us to get to the next one, okay? To differentiate between singular and plural. So let's start with the first one. How many books can you see, my dear student? 1, 2, keep counting and then pick the correct number. I have two options for you. How many books can you see? I can see 6 books. 6 books. So here I have plural books, right? I have 6 books. Next, I have a pencil case. How many pencil cases can you see? 2 options, easy one. 1 or 10? What do you think? I have only 1, singular. I have one pencil case. Very good. Next, how many notebooks can you see? How many notebooks can you see? 2 options for you. 3, 7. What do you think? How many? Yes, I have 7 notebooks. Plural. I have 7 notebooks. Now, below, the last one, how many rulers can you see? How many rulers can you see? Start counting. Easy one. Can you see 1 or 10? 10 rulers, plural. 10 rulers. Very good. Now, let's have this exercise. Count the number of the objects. I gave you the first one as an example. How many balloons? I have 2 balloons. Okay. How about the turtles? How many turtles can you see? Start counting. Write down your answers. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 turtles. 4 turtles. Very good. Next, how many burgers can you see? Count and write down your answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 burgers. Very good. Next, how many hot dogs or sandwiches can you see? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 hot dogs. Very good. Next, how many dogs can you see? Count. Write down your answers. 1, 2, 3. I have 3. Very good. Next, how many trucks can you see? Or how many cars can you see? 1, 2. I can see 2. 2 cars. How many presents can you see? Count. Write down your answers. 1, 2, 3. I can see 3 presents or 3 gifts. How many cats can you see, my dear student? Count. Write down your answers. 1, 2, 3. I can see 3 cats. How many orange apples can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see 4 apples. And how many clowns or doll can you see here? I can only see 1, singular, 1 doll. Okay? Now, that was an introduction for singular and plural. As you can see here, I have an apple. I have apples. Apple and apples. As you can see, for apple, we are going to add an S for plural. I have 1 apple, an apple, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 apples. Okay? Same for carrot. I have a carrot, 1 carrot, and I have 2 carrots with an S. Okay? So, apple, apples, carrot, carrots. Okay? Now, here are some additional examples. As you can see, I have tomato, 1 tomato, tomatoes. As you can see here, I have to add ES. I have a box, singular, one box. I have boxes, ES. I have boy, singular. I have boys, plural. Thief. Okay, now you have to be very careful. If the noun ends in F, we have to change it to VES, thieves. Okay, mango ends in O, so we have to add ES, as in tomato. Last one I have baby, because it ends in Y, that's preceded by a consonant, babies, IES. So I have singular and plural in these pictures. Now, I need your help here. Try to complete with the correct answer. Singular, how many cat? How many cats can you see? I can see a cat, one cat. And I can see two cats, very good. So I have singular and plural. Next, I have a ring. I have a ring. And I can see up to 1, 2, 3, 3 what? 3 rings, 3 rings, very good. So let's read one more time. Cat, a cat, 2 cats, a ring, 3 rings. Very good, my dear student. Now, how about this one? First one, I have a dish. Okay, for dish, because it's end in S and H, we have to add ES. 3 dishes. Okay, 3 dishes. Next one I have duck. 1. 3 ducks. Very good. Box. It ends in X, so we have to add ES. 3 boxes. Very good. Dress. It ends in S, so we have to add ES. 2 dresses. So let's read. Dish, 3 dishes, duck, 3 ducks, box, 3 boxes, dress, 2 dresses, 2 dresses. Very good, very good. Now, help me out. Do I have singular or do I have a plural? Let's start with the first item here. How many apples can you see, my dear student? How many apples can you see? I can see an apple, singular, an apple. Next one, how many oranges can you see? 1, 2, 3, 3 oranges, 3 oranges, very good. How many bananas can you see? How many bananas can you see? 2 bananas, 2 bananas, very good. Next, how many potatoes can you see? Singular or plural? Potatoes, very good. ES. How many shops can you see? Singular or plural? 2 shops, very good. And the last item or the last thing I have here is a mask. How many masks can you see? A mask. So help me out. How many singulars can you see here on your screen? I can only see an apple, 1 apple, and 1 mask. The other items are plural, Okay, let's try to complete this exercise. I have a girl, singular, and I have 2 girls. I have a tree. I have 3 trees. Singular, plural, singular, plural. These are very important because later in this lesson, we will be using this, that, these, and those. Okay? I have a shirt, singular, and I have 2 shirts. Last one I have a table, and I have 4 tables. I have 4 tables. Let's read our answers one more time. Girl, 2 girls, tree, 3 trees, shirt, 2 shirts, table, 4 tables, 4 tables. Very good. Now, help me out to complete. Now we have to not choose, we have to complete. Write down the answer. So I have, the first item I have an apple, singular. Next one I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 flowers. Very good. Now, notice that I add an S here for plural. Next one I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 cats, plural, cats. Next one I have a ball, singular. That's why we use the article a ball. Now next one I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 birds. Very good, 5 birds. So plural. And the last one here I have a pencil, singular. So how many singular do we have here? An apple, a ball, a pencil, okay? And I have flowers, cats, and birds, and they are plural. They are plural. Very good. Now, it's time to use the demonstrative pronouns. We already took this one, and let's have some extra activities, okay? The demonstrative we have is this, that, these, and those. Let's focus with the one we are going to use with singular. With singular, first we will be focusing on this and that, okay? Let's start. As you can see in this picture, I have one of each. So I have a girl, a boy, a ball, a train, a clock, a window, a tree, a fence, a doll, a cat. I have one of each, right? Okay, so we will be naming them using, or we'll be pointing using this and that, okay? So let's start. Pointing at an item that is close or near the speaker, in that case you will be using this. This is a book. But let's say the item is far away from you, and again remember it's singular, we will be using the demonstrative pronoun that. That is a book. Have another example. This, and the apple is near. This is an apple. But let's say the apple is far away. That is an apple. Remember, we only use these with singular. We only use them with singular. Now let's have this exercise. As you can see here, I have one of each. Plane, go-kart, kite, and a doll, okay? Now, pay attention if it's close or near, or if they are far away, okay? Let's start with the first one. What do you think, my dear student? This or that? That is a plane. Very good, because it's far from me. That is a plane. Very good. How about the go-kart? What do you think? This or that? The answer is this. This is a go-kart. Very good. Next one I have a kite. What do you think? This or that? Very good. That is a kite. That is the kite. The last thing you have here, remember it's singular. I have a doll. It is very good. We are going to use that. That is a doll. That is a doll. Very good. Let's read our answers one more time. That's a plane. This is a go-kart. That's a kite. That is a doll. Very good. Now, let's have extra exercises. For this one, I try to help you out giving you a long arrow or a short one. So the long one refers to the demonstrative pronoun that. The short one refers to the using this. A tree. I have a tree. That is a tree. It's far away, right? That is a tree. An apple. What do you think? This is an apple. Very good. This is an apple. Next one. A hill. That is a hill. Very good. It's far away. Very good. A flower. This is a flower. Very good. This is a flower. Next one is a duck. What do you think? Near, far. This is a duck. Very good. This is a duck. Number 6. An elephant. That is an elephant. Very good. Far. Now, as you can see, I have one of each. One item. Next, a cake. This is a cake. Very good. My brother. That is my brother. Very good. Now I have the same picture. I have a river, but one of them is close, near. This is a river. Next one I have a field. That is a field. Okay, remember, I use this and that with singular. Now for the next part, we are going to focus on these and those, because now we will be focusing on plural nouns, okay, plural, okay? As you can see here, this is a pencil, That is a pencil. So I have one pencil, right? I have one pencil, this, that. But on the next part, or on the other side, I have more than one pencil. Actually, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 pencils. Because I have plural, we will be referring to them using these and those. Okay, again, if they are near the speaker, near me, we'll be referring using these are pencils. But if they are far away, we will be using those. Now, let's have some additional examples. As you can see here, I have a sandwich, singular, and I have sandwiches. Okay, this is a sandwich, singular. Plural, these are sandwiches. Okay, so I have singular, one sandwich, and I have plural, sandwiches. If they are near, I'll be using this and these. Moving to the other part, I have a banana and I have bananas. That is a banana because it's far away, and those are bananas because they are far away from me. So let's read. This is a sandwich. That is a banana. These are sandwiches. Those are bananas. Very good, my dear student. Let's have extra exercises. As you can see here now, I don't have only one. I have more than one. At some examples. Number 1 is a computer game. What do you think? I have one. So this is a computer game. Very good. This is a computer game. Next one, I have lorries or trucks. What do you think? These or those? Those are lorries. Very good, because they are far away. Now I have a camera, singular. What do you think? This or that? That is a camera. Very good. That is a camera. Number 4, I have a kite. What do you think? Singular. This or that? This is a kite. Very good. Number 5, I have 2 balls. 2 balls. What do you think? They are closed. These are balls. And the last example here, I have 2 watches far away. Those are watches. Those are watches. So let's read. This is a computer game. Those are lorries. That is a camera. This is a kite. These are balls. Those are watches. Very good. So let's try to revise what we have learned in our activities or enrichment activities, my dear student. We differentiate between singular and plural, giving more examples. Also, we were able to use this, that, these, and those, the demonstrative pronouns. So if we are referring to an item, a singular item, we will use this or that. But if we are referring to plural items, we will be using these and those. So that was my enrichment activities, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.